Hi everyone, welcome back to Chim Sneaker. And today I will introduce to you one of the very interesting colorway of the New Balance 327s. So let's have a look at this model. Wow! This is the New Balance 227 in the baby blue colorway. So let's have a quick look at this sneaker. It has two different sizes. One side, it has a very big New Balance logo in the white color and on the blue background, and the other side, a white background. So this sneaker is a very typical New Balance 327 sneaker that you cannot know. From the feature, you can see that the heel it go up to here with a lot of dot pattern. In the outsole, the midsole is a little bit stiff, but it made by plastic material, a rubber material, which is a little bit elastic, and yeah, you can see by putting it. And the upper of this sneaker made by two main material. Suede in the lighter color part. I will go closely for you to see, and this is like the normal fabric. So this sneaker it has also a layer of fabric here to hold the lace and the New Balance logo here. So it basically has the structure of a New Balance 327, and this sneaker in fact very fashionable, because you can use this colorway in especially like Korean style clothing, because it's look very young and very active. And yeah, I love the vibe of this color, and the sneaker also it look very sporty, but I think in my experience it's not really good for running. If you want to run, you should use another sneaker with like a softer midsole. This one is just for fashion and streetwear, which is still super good for this model. And that's it. That is a quick look about this New Balance 327. And yes, I think you should see the insole of this. It's just a very normal insole, a thin layer, but I think the downside the color match with it look kind of funny, kind of fit. Okay, see you again in the next episode of Chim Sneaker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting close-up to the sneaker review. Bye bye.